Black box. Now repeat after me. Black box, black box, black box. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. A black box is a device found on airplanes that records flight data and cockpit conversations. Despite the name, black boxes are usually bright orange to make them easier to locate after an accident. The information they capture is crucial for understanding what happened during a flight and can provide key insights into the causes of accidents or malfunctions. Think of it like this. A black box is like the airplane's memory, recording everything that happened to help investigators learn from incidents. In a sentence, after the crash, investigators recovered the plane's black box to understand what went wrong. Here, black box refers to the data recorder used in airplanes. Let's try another example. The black box revealed that there were mechanical issues just before the flight went down. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using black box. Synonyms. Some related terms for black box are flight recorder, a device that records important data during a flight. Cockpit voice recorder, a part of the black box that records conversations and sounds in the cockpit. The opposite of black box in terms of device type would be flight simulator, a device used to simulate flying conditions rather than recording them. Diagnostic tool, a device used to assess performance without recording historical data. Part of speech. Black box is a noun referring to the flight data and voice recording device on an airplane. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.